Coast Capital has renewed its attempts to engineer a breakup of transport operator First Group, saying it will try to force an emergency general meeting of shareholders unless the group announces a separation. First Group has long been under pressure from several of its investors to separate the company's North American operations into independent businesses, and announced a strategic review of these assets 3 months ago. Read more. First Group shareholder claims victory as firm weighs sale of U.S. armHowever. Coast said today that since then, shareholders have heard nothing from the company or its board, and the share price has declined by 20%. The activist investor, which has a 10% stake in First Group, said in a filing that in the absence of a total divestment, the bus operator should list the businesses on both the North American bourse and the LSE. This will allow UK investors to realize value from their investment in the company, and enable new North American investors, public or private, to buy into the North American operations. It added.Coast said that the North American operations, First Student and First Transit, are worth notably more than their book value of 100p per share, estimating a price of 165p for each.Sign up to City A.M.'s Midday update newsletter, delivered to your inbox every lunchtime today. First Group shares were trading a 94.90p, over 5% down, as the firm suffered the same slump as the rest of the FTSE on coronavirus fears. The bus and rail operator is in the process of selling its U.S. coach service Greyhound, but said earlier this year it would make its 2 other American bus businesses a major focus. Today is not the first time that prominent stakeholders have taken aim at the firm, with property magnate Robert Tch also demanding the spin-off of the businesses. In November, the British-Iranian Tch, who has stake worth nearly 5%, told City A.M. that the rationale of a vibrant U.S. business which is being managed in Aberdeen, 6 time zones away, is not the most effective or efficient management strategy. Read more. Unforgivable. Property tycoon Robert Tch blasts First Group management amid calls for sale of U.S. assets. First Group issued a statement in response, saying, "The board agrees that there is material value to be unlocked within the group and is intent on delivering this in the best interests of all shareholders. Our scheduled trading statement will be published on the 11th of March, in which we will update the market on trading since our half-year results in November in addition to the progress of our strategic plans, including in relation to our North American contract businesses." For more on this story, visit the news article link.